about to start cleaning my room, and it's a wrap. Who's at the door? It's baby Mirror Mirror in the house. And my sis.
Hey, female dog.
And yeah. So I guess now it's just us cleaning our room. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! This is what I have to clean, y'all.
Let me find out. I got you in right now. Look like I threw a fishing line out.
Being thicker than a sneaker, I broke the chair, so I had to make a cute blue one. Cause yeah, I told y'all I was big. I'm one of them bad things. That's me being thicker than a snicker. I broke that chair and I'm proud, baby. I'm proud, honey. Call me thick.
Oh, baby. Oh, no. Get on my face. Get off my face.
Yeah. Got it right. Man.
If they pop somebody's chain, then we gotta get it back. No discussion to be had. We ain't going out like that, man. We lit.
Get it. Oh!
We ain't going out like that, man. We lit. We ain't going out like that, man. We lit.
Twerking for the jumping jack.
I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, keep it up. It's me. I win. You lose.
I wish I could get your face, bruh. Oh, there you go. Ah, you man.
We ain't going out like that, man. We lit.
Little bunny in the snow. Come on, bunny. Come on.
Galaxy, come on.
Come on. Come on. Get in the car. Galaxy. Oh. Videoing us. Why not? Not a good hat day. You got a hat on. And that's nice. Oh, my box might be in there, girl. Oh, snap. Hurry up and let's get back. Hurry up. Because that's our male person, too. Maybe we should turn around. I'm not turning around.
Just getting your best.
Hi, the Thinky Pinky. Hi, Mama.
Hey, girl, hey.
Say, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Girl.
What the hell is that smell?
Wow, these things are heavy. They're like I got 2 shoes. This ain't mine.
What the fuck was that?
What's your video for? On my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel.
Huh?
On my YouTube channel.
Your YouTube what?
YouTube channel.
With your head tied up?
Yeah, because I don't want to show my beady beads.
Very good.
I know I'm pressed when I go outside with no clothes on to get my bucks. I'm so pressed. She's struggling over there. I'm going to get her out of. Hi, you guys. Today I'm doing my little unboxing of 2 shoes that I bought. Okay, so I'm officially pressed because I finally got my new pair of shoes. So I want to unbox them because like I just been waiting forever. And no, they're not Nike, they're Converse. Bless you, girl. But you know, like, I'm impressed. So we're gonna like unbox it, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my god, I'm so glad. Look at the box. Like, it's so original. Those were not the only shoes. Your girl stepped up. You know what I'm saying? She stepped up. So I got some other shoes. They are by Armani Exchange. I got them on sale. Both of the shoes I got on sale. I'm gonna start off with my, both of them are my favorite shoes, so I can't really decide. Let me see. Right over here, but I should not do it over there. And you on my video. The first one I'm gonna go with is the Armani Exchange. So I got them on sale. They were 60% off the original price, which was, the original price is $190. I got them for like 70 something, 80, no, $80. But I really like them. I really think they're cute. There are these boots right here. You know what I'm saying? They're metallic. I really love this whole like shoe. It matches with anything. I prefer black and white, but hey, you can match anything with this mirror type metallic. Like, you can see your face in it. Like, it's actual metallic. The only thing that I don't like about the shoe is the fact, like, when it gets dirty, it gets like really cloudy. Like, it's cloudy now and I only wore them one time. But other than that, like, I really love this shoe. Like, I don't know. Like, they don't give me the Dr. Martin feel at all. But like, they do, which I like about it. The only thing I don't like about it is the laces, kinda. But hey, they cute. They still cute, because I would have never bought them if I didn't like them. And I like how it's the zip-ins, and it does like the tying part as well. Like, overall, it's a cute shoe, and it's pretty sturdy. I wore it in the snow, so. Also had to buy a size 3 sizes up. I wear a size 8.5, and I had to get a 10. So the struggle was real. I couldn't even put on the 8.5, nor could I put on the 9. Like, I literally was cringing my feet in. So that was a first shoe. And this is a regular box it came in. On the Exchange. It had like little strings on it, but I disattached it. And I don't really know the code number or whatever, but you can definitely find them online. They're metallic boots. Like, that's probably what you always have to search up in the keyword. But once again, I bought them in store. So the shoe that I bought is a part of the Miley Cyrus collection. It was on sale. So the original price of these shoes are $95, and they went down to $49. And then I caught a sale, basically 30% off store-wide. So I got to use the 30% off the sale price, which made these $30 instead of me paying $95. So did you hear it like I heard it? So I got them today, and I'm really impressed. I'm scared to wear them. I haven't tried them on. I wear a size 8.5, and I bought a size 8.5, so I'm a little bit scared that they might be too big on me. But even if they're too big, sis is still going to be wearing them, best believe, because they're cute. And plus, I was nervous too, because I saw this other guy do it, like, unbox open on these shoes, and I looked purple, not blue. So I was just a little curious. Like, I was scared when I first got them, when I was getting them. So these are the shoes. They're Miley Cyrus collection. They look pretty long, so I'm a little scared, but which I'm gonna try on one. But so they come with 2 laces, light skin blue, and then you got the dark skin blue with stars on them, which I'm probably gonna wear the ones with the stars on them regardless. But this is how they look. Got the stars on the borderline part, you know, the cute part, and then you got like the little Mickey Mouse thing. But it got MC on it, her little logo. Got the logo chain right there, as you can see. And then I don't even know how tall these are, but they give a height. They give a height, because this is like a regular Converse shoe, and then this is on top of it. And the bottom is pretty the same, but the difference is, like, you know how Converse have that regular rubber on it? This isn't regular rubber. It's kind of like a, a foam, like, you know the foam they be using on regular platform shoes? That's basically what it is. But other than that, and you can wear these in any type of weather. But like, I don't really know about summer, because I mean the material is different within the inside, like the regular Converse material, but it's just like, this is like that rubber leather type thing. Most people don't wear leather in the summer because it's like really hot, so I don't know. But best believe I'm going to be wearing these, and these are probably perfect for like rain, because like the material is like raincoat material. Like, it's really cute.
Something wrong with my TV.
So it comes with different level blues, from dark blue to light blue, and on like the border it got like the little stars on it. Well, anyway, you see my unboxing.
Are you still playing?
Come on, you can come in. You can come in.
Come here.
What?
The TV ain't right.
I hope you really like them. They're really good shoes. And I hope you enjoyed my vlog day, because honestly, these are 2 days mixed together. Because both of my days are pretty boring, but you get the... Definitely like and definitely subscribe, and thank you for watching. I hope you share this and I hope you like it. And yeah.